Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's prepare tiffin for my 3.5 years old who goes in nursery. So early in the morning I start preparing his tiffin, and today this is what I prepared. In a frying pan I'm adding some mustard oil. You can add any oil of your preference, and in low flame I will start frying these ground nuts. So I'm keeping the flame low so that it cooks from inside out. And here I washed all the things at night. Sometimes when you wash in dishwasher, if you did not soak it properly, if there are food stains dried up, then it does not clean properly. So this is what actually happened today as well. You can see a little bit of food stains here and there, but it's easier after washing in dishwasher. I can just simply wash it in 2 seconds. It will get clean. So I washed it, and here I'm stirring it, and over here in the grinder I'm adding 3 bananas, ripe bananas, and also a little bit of water, and I will make a paste with that. Here the groundnuts are almost roasted, and I'll turn it off and keep it in the hot pan, just so that it can cook a little bit more. And at this stage I'm adding a little bit of salt as well for taste. If you are preparing it for grown-ups, you can add other spices also. Here, after making the paste, I added 2 spoons of whole wheat atta. I'm adding 2 more spoons and stevia and little bit of baking powder, and I will grind it one more time, and this is the consistency. It's a bit runny. You can make it a little bit more thick also, so that it's easier to cook. Here I am heating my dosa pan, and here is my kid. He woke up and he wanted to have this drink. This is Horlicks badam flavor. He wanted to have a drink, and he prefers preparing it on his own. So here he added a spoon of it, and I just wanted to see how the scent is, and it really smells good. And over here he was waiting for me to give him some milk. He even loves that milk cream that you get after boiling milk. So I had already boiled the milk, and there was cream left. This is yesterday's milk, and I'm just keeping it in a separate container for him. So I just add little bit of stevia in that, or sometimes jaggery, and he really likes to eat it. And here he is just waiting, and I will pour some milk in the cup as well. So morning he don't want to eat anything, but one glass of drink is sometimes enough, because he will wait for maybe 2 hours to have his lunch break at school.
How is it? Test. Can I test?
And I gave him a straw so that he can enjoy this drink.
Test it. Lagay na sugar friend.
He even wanted a little bit of stevia, so I added that. It is not very sweet. That powder is not very sweet. You can add a little bit of sweetener from your side as well. And while he is busy eating this, I again started doing the remaining for his tiffin. Here I am adding ghee in a pan, and I will pour the batter and cook it in low to medium flame. The paste is a bit runny, that is why it was a bit difficult to flip it, but then if you add maybe a little bit more wheat, then it will be fine. So here the pitha is ready. So this is banana pitha, one of his favorites. And here I am packing his tiffin. I kept a banana, and here he is brushing his teeth and cleaning his tongue. This tongue cleaner is really good and convenient for him. Here I am keeping the banana pitha, and this black raisins is his another favorite. I added some of that, And in this small container, I'm adding the groundnuts. Sometimes he likes to munch on them. So that's all for today's tiffin. Until next time, bye.